Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make a classic interior element in SketchUp. Then we can select the rectangle in here and place with the another or any position in here. Then now we can make the another we can triple click, and then now we can right click and make group. Okay, again after that we can make the wall in here. We can use the line and click from this point and also the point and triple click. Okay, then we can offset it inside 150 millimeter in here. Okay, now we can get the plane and we can push it up. We can type 3.5 meter in here. Okay, then we can triple click and make group. Okay, right now I will share about make the classic wall in here, but I have to set up about the wall in here first. Then now we can select the tab master tool, click from this bottom to the up around 3 meter in here. Okay, then click with any position in here and click, and we can type around 1 meter in here. Then we can click the guideline and move it down, type 2.2 meter in here. Okay, then now we can triple click and select the rectangle, click from this corner to the corner in here, click the surface and push it to the behind in here. Okay, and after that we can select the rectangle. Okay, click and offset it inside 60 millimeter. Click erase and click the surface and push it to the behind 120 and double click, right click and make group. Okay, now we can triple click this line in here. We can click this line for the perimeter line. We can select the offset it outside 10 millimeter in here. Okay, and after that now we can click the surface and push it to the behind, type 40 millimeter in here. Okay, and after that now we have the profile window frame in here. Then now we can select the rectangle and then click from the corner to the corner and push it up until to this position. Then we can triple click, we can click the surface and select offset it inside. We can offset it inside 100 millimeter in here and click the surface and push it to the behind in here. Okay, and then now we can triple click, right click and also make group, and then we can make the rectangle and push it up 15 millimeter. Triple click, right click and make component, create. Then we can select a move and place. Then we can select move, type control and place to the position. Then we can type / and enter in here. Okay, we can erase, and then we can click this object. We can rotate a 90 degree in here. Okay, and then now we can select this object and select move, and we can bring the cursor on the middle and just place the object on the middle of this divider of this window divider. Okay, make sure there is on the middle position in here. Then don't forget to right click and make unique, because we have to separate the classification of the divider, of the vertical and horizontal divider. Okay, so this is a classic historical window frame. Now we can make the rectangle and click from this center point and then place on the center point on the left top corner in here. Then we can click this surface and push it to the front, type 5 millimeters in here. We can triple click and make group. Anyway, the glass thickness is maybe it should be more thickness, like 1 centimeter on 8 millimeter in here. It's depend on the correct calculation, because this is just for 3D modeling purpose or visualization purpose anyway. Okay, so we can select the window leaf and we can right click and make group in here. Okay, after that we can select the rectangle and click from the corner until to the corner in here, and then now we can triple click and offset it outside. We can offset it outside around 100 millimeter in here. Okay, then now don't forget to erase the center plane, erase, and we can click the perimeter surface and push it to the front around 60 millimeter in here and enter in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the architrave. The name is architrave anyway, so we can click this perimeter line in here and offset it outside around 20 millimeter in here, and click and push it to behind around 10 millimeter in here. Okay, but we have to make the another one. We can click this line, we can click this line and offset it inside, type 20 millimeter and click and push it to the behind around 10 millimeter also in here. And then now we can triple click, right click, and also make group. Okay, and then we can make group the frame, right click, and we can make component anyway. Okay, create, and then we can right click and flip with the red axis in here to make sure that the window lift are on the outside in here, Then now and after that we can also make the another architrave. We can click and select move, we can make component in here and create. We can select a move, type control and place, and right click, flip along with the red position, and we can select move and place it the position in here. So we can get the exterior window like this. And then anyway, we have to make the another overlapping elements in here again anyway. Okay, but we have to duplicate that one. On the another appropriate position. Okay, we can make group anyway. Then we can select move, tap control, and place to the position in here, just like this, for example. Then we can triple click and select the rectangle from the corner to this another corner on the top left corner. Okay, and we can make the hole in here. Then now we can make the another elements. Okay, now we can make the another elements in here. Okay, and select and offset it inside around 10 millimeter in here, and erase the center plane and place on the position. Then we can type like a 50 millimeter. Okay, and make group. Okay, so then we can select move, tap control, and place on the position in here. So we can get the result about this about that one. Anyway, we have to move it on the appropriate place to make a better visualization in here. Okay, so this is about the window system in here. So we can make the another element of the wall in here, like another additional wall in here. Okay, so I think we can make the another element. We can click this line in here and select move, tap control, like 100 millimeter. And now we can make the color in here. We can make the color with the white color in here. We can make the white color over there and click the push. We can push it 50 millimeter in here, and also this one. Okay, we can assign about the coloring system in here. Okay, anyway, we have to make sure that there is no intersection. We have to make sure that there is no intersection between the wall element and also the window element in here. So we have to adjust. So we have to adjust one by one for every single intersection object in here, just like this. And we can fix about the materials match, make sure that the material have to match with the another elements that relate with the another object over there. Okay, just like this. And another one we have to adjust in here. Okay, that's that one. Then now we can assign about the cladding. We can assign about the cladding element in here. Okay, we can set up about the cladding in here. Okay, so this is a cladding, and we can also set up about the lightness, darkness of the shading in here, like this one. Okay, we can set up about the coloring and much more. We can set up about the wall. Okay, we can give the wall position in here. Okay, and then now we can make the blender box in here. We can also make the blender box like a simple, just a simple blender box on the position in here, and push it down until to the limit in here. Then double click and right click and also make group and scale. This scale is just a little bit in here, and offset it inside in here. Okay, now we can assign about the blender box color. Okay, maybe we can use the another cladding. We can use this one, and we can set up about the landscaping in here. We can just this one to be landscaping in here. Okay, that one. And okay, we can also set up about the shadow. We can set up about the shadow in here. Okay, just like this one, and we can also erase some unnecessary element. And anyway, we can also set up about the brick element in here, like a 1 meter scale in here. Okay, to make it more clear enough in here. Okay, just like this. Okay, just like this, just like this. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. Anyway, we can also make the another wood element in here. We can use this one. Okay, so this is for the interior element, and this is for the exterior element in here, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. And thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.